Guys, it's super insane. So keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this. It actually works, guys, and it is super cool.
Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to play a modded version of No Limit Drag Racing 2. So let me just open it up right here and show you guys. So as you can see, I'm not that rich at all. But in the mod menu, we can enable unlimited gold, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on and let's see if our gold goes up. And then I'm going to show you how to get this No Limit 2 drag racing hack for iOS and Android completely for free, guys. So let's see if it works, and hopefully it does increase. So it's working. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this. It works for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video. If you guys want to have a No Limit Drag Racing 2 hack, you have got to try this out, bro. It's so cool. So basically all we have to do is open a new tab and type tweakmod.com. So let me just type it in. In the search bar, we're going to type No Limit, press install, and before it downloads, it's going to be verification. So you got to download 2 apps and follow instructions. They're 100% for free from official app store. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So we're just going to give it a second for this to download. So before it finishes, there is going to be one more step, which is the verification. So basically what we have to do is download 2 apps and follow instructions. They're 100% free from official app store, and this will install the No Limit 2 drag racing hack into your device. So I'm just going to wait for it to load here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second to load up. So as you can see, we got all these apps. So you just want to download 2 of them. So like Family Island says reach level 11, so I could do that one. Or I could do like Underdog, which says down and run for 30 seconds. So some of them are going to be easier. This Evertail. So yeah, just download 2 of them as a video to watch if you're confused. But that's how I get No Limit 2 drag racing hack for your device. Super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, tell your friends about it because this is legit. And peace out, guys.